Doctor, recently government has announced this HPV vaccine to be, given widely. So on the social media, there are mixed opinions regarding its safety. So what is your take on this, doctor?
Whereas in India, every 7 minutes, one woman is dying of cervical cancer. Social media, whoever is fear mongering about safety, I think either they are doing it for their, what do you say, views.
Views, publicity.
But HPV vaccine has been there for more than 20 years. So many countries
Yeah.
have given it to their girls and now even boys, because the vaccine protects not only from cervical cancer but also from penile cancer, oral cancer, anal cancer, vaginal cancer, vulval cancer. HPV is a virus which can infect these areas and convert the cells into cancerous cells. Australia is on the way to actually eliminating cervical cancer from their country. It may become the first country. The main thing that fearmongers are saying is that it will cause infertility. Absolutely no proof for that, no evidence for that. Second thing is about Bill Gates being associated with it. This vaccine is time tested.
Yeah.
It's not something new like how COVID vaccine was. Okay, it's only that government couldn't afford to give it to all girl children, but now it took a decision to give, and they are also questioning why Servavac is not being given, why Gardasil. Servavac is also being given by government in some areas. And the other thing they are talking about is some tribal children died and all during the trials. This vaccine doesn't cause infertility, and definitely those girls didn't die because of the vaccine. And moreover, they're fear mongering that government is going to give it by force to children. No. Okay, there is absolutely no force. The only problem is, like with any other vaccine, there can be a chance of serious reaction called anaphylaxis. Like when a bee stings us, we get anaphylaxis. Right? That's why all the people who give the vaccine, they always should be ready to handle anaphylaxis, like how we keep this with us always, adrenaline injection. Okay, but that can happen with any vaccine. Then people are, if they are worried, they should stop all the vaccines. No, right? The other minor side effects like swelling, redness, and some people may faint also. Those all can easily be taken care of. Infertility thing they're talking about is really rubbish.